Yes, Mom. Yeah, it's okay. I'll be there for dinner. Just have to film. Okay, bye. God. Ugh. Oh, I have to text my friend. Yeah. Okay, Stacy, and yeah, I'm filming. Okay, bye. Okay. Hey everyone, it's me here, Anna, and I'm filming another video. Yay! And yeah, I wear this scarf a lot because I just love it, and ouch. And yeah, we're going to make slime today, as you already guessed by the title. So yeah, we're going to make slime. I'll show you this one. It hurts. Okay. As you can see, the slime, and ouch. It is so cool, and it's only made out of a couple weeds. See, ew, disgusting. Got it over my new paw, but whatever. And I'm gonna play with some. Not a whole bunch though, because I can't really play with a whole bunch. But as you can see, I'm playing with it. It's so cool and stretchy. So yeah, that is the slime, and we're gonna teach you how to make it. I'll tell you the material. The materials that you'll be needing is something to mix in. I'm using this empty bowl right here, and I actually eat out of this. Yeah, but I just have an empty bowl right here. Something to mix with, something to mix in, some paint. I'm using puffy paint. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna use it. That paint, and I just got that at Target. So yeah, in the art section. Some detergent. I'm using Gain, Tide, and Gain are preferred, but your choice, I guess. Some Elmer's glue, clear or white. And this thing, you don't really have to use this. Actually, I'm just using this. So let's get started. You know, I'm not really going to use this. I'm just using this to mix with. So, yeah. So first, you want to pour in your glue. So I'm going to pour in my glue. Now you want to add in your okay, so this is the glue right here. And I'm going to mix that. So that's the glue. And now I'm going to whatever. I'm going to add in the detergent. So add that in little by little. As you can see, I have the green detergent, but first I want to pour in my paint. I just forgot all about that. I want that much pink. So now I'm going to mix that up. Hopefully the pink shows, because that is my favorite color. Yay, showing the pink. It's kind of spilling, but that is all right. Just keep on adding, and then get it and start kneading it. Okay, this is disgusting. Okay, they want me to touch that. Okay, then fine. Ew. Well, Annaline's not gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it because I don't want her paws to get dirty. And it smells like balloon. Like, I don't even know how it smells like. It smells like, I don't know. It smells like disgusting though. Just see. Just playing with it, and it's a little sticky, I guess. But it's alright. I don't care about the stickiness. So here is a perfect slime. You can see, and I'm so happy the color showed. And it looks like flubber. So yeah, hope you guys like this LPS tutorial on how to make slime. Bye. Bye guys. Subscribe.